Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a Carrick Bend. This knot can be used in applications such as camping, climbing, sailing, and general purposes. Create a loop on the one working end. Now thread the other working end around the loop. Just to give you a view of what it currently looks like, dress and tighten accordingly. Pull the standing parts in order for the knot to take its shape, and as you can see, the loose ends will flip around. This is a secure knot to connect two ropes, does not jam, so it's easy to untie after a load. However, it can be difficult to untie when wet. It's typically used on larger diameter ropes where it would be difficult to tie other knots, and at times can be bulky when used in climbing applications. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.